All right. Oh. Don't want. All right. Swatching without looking, no bueno. Hi everyone, I'm Wago Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. Wago stands for When You Get Old. I am 54 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you've stopped by because you've been curious what is in the August 2021 Ipsy Glam Bag X, then you're in the right place, and keep on watching. Yay, it finally arrived. We have the August Glam Bag X that was curated by Halsey, and I know we get to select, goodness, how many? 3, possibly more of the items, but I did it so long ago, I don't remember anything. I'm sure when I pull it out, I'll go, oh yeah. So let me get the lid off, and so for any of you who may not know what Ipsy Glam Bag X is about, it is a quarterly upgrade subscription to the Glam Bag Plus. It costs $55 each quarter, where it's a $30 upgrade to the normal $25 Glam Bag Plus. And did you guys catch the news that Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is going up to $28 a month? Yeah. When you say it out loud, $3 increase doesn't sound so bad, but the $25 box is now $28, which is starting to make Allure not seem so expensive. I wonder when BoxyCharm's going to go up as well. All right, I digress. Let's jump in and see what this quarter's Glam Bag X has to offer. Okay, so the first item seems to be an eyeshadow palette. This is from ÄTHR Beauty. Not familiar with that brand. It's the Moonlight Crystal Palette. I don't know if I'll pick up on camera. This is actually lifted up, so it's kind of 3D. What you see is, you can actually feel it, and it's kind of raised up. Interesting. It is cardboard though. Okay, there is no mirror, and it is an interesting story. Lots of teals, greens, purples, darker jewel tone colors. Not my cup of tea. I will set this aside for a future giveaway. All right, what is the next item here? Must be good. It's in little bubble wrap. Okay, so this is from a brand called KIMCHI Chic, and it's the Thailor blush in Pinky Rose. Oh, how cute. The packaging is shaped like a heart. It does come with a mirror, and there are 2 distinct shades. These are quite pigmented. That is 1 swipe each. All right, yay to makeup. Okay, next item. Ooh, what is this? We have from VOLITION the Yaupon Tea Glow Awakening Moisturizer. Ooh, you know me, I love the skincare. Let's see if this is going to be gel or what the formula is like. Oh, it is very jiggly jello-y, like the thick gel type. Very gel. All right. Oh. Don't want. All right. Swatching without looking, no bueno. All right. Take 2. I'm torn. I already swatched it. It smells floral, but like it may have some rose in it. But it's soft enough where I think I can get away with it. All right. Next item. What is this? Okay, this is from, ooh, Fenty. Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. Oh, it's a mascara. The reason I said because I'm assuming it won't be waterproof. I only wear waterproof mascara. Yeah, not waterproof. All right, well, I will set this aside for a future giveaway. Next item. What do we have here? This is from SONÄGE, and it's a collagen boosting serum. Plumps and smooths. Yes. Oh, lovely packaging. Although this is plastic. Comes with a pump. It is kind of a amber clear color. Ooh. It does have a scent which reminds me of kind of just like earthy herbal. Have you ever tried products from Aveda, which is hair products? But it has that kind of natural earthy skincare scent. I don't know how to describe it other than that. All right, next item. What is this? It's heavy, whatever it is. This is from PROSE, and it is hair perfume. What? Hair perfume? Leave me a comment. Let me know if you've ever heard of hair perfume. It's okay. In the scent Corsica. All right. Well, if I don't like it and this goes in a giveaway, just know I spritzed it once. All right. Let's see what the spritzer's like. I'm so bad at scents. Interesting. All right. Well, I'm going to do a second spritz here. Why would you need a hair perfume? Just take your normal perfume, or most shampoos and conditioners have a lovely scent. So won't this mingle? I don't know. Halsey. Interesting product. It's new and different. I'll give them that. All right. Next item. We got something else that's fancy in the bubble wrap. All right. So this is from a brand called About Face, and it's a light lock powder. I do not wear powders, and it's sealed here. I'm just gonna set this aside for a future giveaway. Okay, so editing Julie here. When I saw the About Face product that just said powder, how am I supposed to know it's a highlighter? They did not advertise the word highlighter. So I saw an unboxing video and realized my mistake. I opened it up and swatched it and thought it was a lovely product. So therefore, I will enjoy 5 out of the 8 items I received. Sorry, Ipsy. All right, on to the last item. Yes, okay, so this is a brand I know and love. This is from Dr. Brandt, and it's the Do Not Age Triple Peptide Eye Cream. And I'm fairly certain I've received this in a box before. If so, something will fly across the screen and let you know where it came from. All right, so this is the product here. I'm going to put it back in the box because I'm 99% sure I already own this. All right, well, let's recap what came in this box. So we got an eye cream from Dr. Brandt. We got a face powder from a brand I'm not familiar with. We got a blush duo, again from a brand I'm not familiar with. We got a mascara from Fenty Beauty. We got an eyeshadow palette from another brand I'm not familiar with. We got a very thick Jello-like gel moisturizer. An interesting product, which is a hair perfume, and a collagen boosting serum. What are your thoughts? I'm not gonna lie, this box was a little disappointing, mainly because there were so many that I'm gonna put in a future giveaway. I was ecstatic to see something from Fenty Beauty. Sadly, I only wear waterproof mascara. This hair perfume doesn't smell the best, or not to my liking. It's just an odd product in my opinion. I have dry, mature skin. I don't use face powder. I did not enjoy the color story of this eyeshadow palette. I will enjoy an eye cream. I love a good blush. A collagen boosting serum. What is not good about that? And a gel face cream. So that's only half. I only liked half my box. And for $55, let me know, did you get this box? And if so, did you enjoy all of your items? Or were you like me, where only half the box was good? I'm going to list on the screen the grand total with MSRP values. Hopefully the 4 items I did like will make up and pay for the $55 box. Yeah, so 400 subscribers, here we come. We got 4 new items to add to that giveaway. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love for you to subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click the bell icon so that you can be notified of future uploads. And if you could do me a huge favor and click that like button, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.